In this problem, given the weights of the students of a class, so find the median weight of the students. Solution. Given data is weight in kgs and number of students. So 40 to 45 kgs students are 2 members. 45 to 50 kgs students are 3 members. 50 to 55 kgs students are 8 members. Like this. First we calculate cumulative frequency. So how can calculate cumulative frequency? First take 2 as it is, next 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 plus 8 that is 13 and 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 16 19 or 19 plus 6 25 25 plus 3 20